Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back again to my channel. In today's video guys, I have a first Hermes unboxing this year, I think, if I'm not mistaken. I think and here it is. I scored this online. I finally scored this online, guys. I've been eyeing this. Actually, I almost scored this last year of December. There was always 3 days this one on stock, but I didn't pull the trigger to buy this because it's always think like, do I really need this? I mean, yeah, or something like that. But hey, every time I go to the Instagram is like influence you to buy something that actually if you are not really needed this. So, but I can, you know what? It's adding to my collection, and let's open this now. This is in a really big bag. There's no like a, mostly Hermes doesn't send you a shopping bag anyway. So here she is, and this is the receipt and everything. But I don't think I will return this. I'd rather keep this for something. Like I said, I will add this one on my collection. And yeah, then finally I score this one again, because it's sometimes every time I go to the store, I always ask this, and always told me like, no, sorry, there's no stock, always sold out. This is famous one. And yeah, and finally they're back in stock again on the website. I said, you know what, I need this so bad. So finally I have this. Let's open it, guys. And the item that is always hard to get, either in store or online, is wow! This is the Mosaic 24, and they have a booklet in here. And most people use this one, use a put their jewelry or anything like that. And this is what I make, even though this is a sushi plate, and it's perfect for like put all your jewelry, the size as well. For the price for this, it's actually quite high, but it's not bad. But this is the one I like, the gold one than the silver one. I think they have a silver one, guys, but I don't see that one more often as well. I always see this one because maybe this one it's more famous. And this is the one in the back, as you can see. And I will put all my jewelry side on my, I put this one on my side table, and I will put all the jewelry in here, guys. So mostly if I go to sleep, I just taking off and put aside on the table. And this time I was hoping this one, oh my god, it's feel a little bit rough around here. I was worried that it's not gonna scratch up my jewelry. I hope so. Oh my god, yeah, there is a little bit roughness around here, but not on the side, only here. It's like, it's so strange that they have like a pieces of glass and it's sharp a little bit, but it doesn't, it just bothers me that this one, it will be scratch up my jewelry. But I probably put like a towels in here, or I don't know, or just leave it, or make my jewelry scratch. So yeah, there you go, guys. And it's so cute, and I lucky or happy that I have this. Oh my god, sit inside upside down. So this, so yeah, I'm happy that I have this on my collection. So yeah, I can't wait to put this one on my side table. And I will also make a video, no, not separate, just add for this one to how I put this one, all my jewelry in here. So yeah, there you guys, that's it for my unboxing today. And thank you again so much for watching, and I see you on my next one. Bye.